In this video, we will show you how to replace the converter of your PUQ press. You need to order a replacement converter with the product code displayed on screen. The tools you need during the following instruction are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flat screwdriver or box cutter. Start with removing the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Press the Set button once. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0 and wait till the display goes off. Turn the PUQ press upside down and remove the plug from the socket. Loosen the two top plate screws. Remove the top plate. Loosen the ground wire screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Loosen the 4 drive unit screws. Unclip the cable connector. Pull out the drive unit and loosen the ground wire screw. Now you can remove the old drive unit completely. Unclip the 2 cable connectors. Loosen the 2 screws from the IPX cover and remove it. Loosen the 2 screws from the junction box and carefully lay the junction box aside. Loosen the 2 screws from the motor controller board frame. Remove the controller board together with its frame. Unclip the connector from the junction box. Loosen the 4 screws from the converter. Remove the old converter and unclip the connector from the AC side. Unclip the connector from the junction box. Reconnect the cable to the junction box. Reconnect the AC cable and put the new converter back in place. Tighten the 4 converter screws. Reconnect the cable to the junction box. Put the motor controller board back in place and tighten the 2 screws from the motor controller board frame. Put the IPX cover back in place and tighten the 2 screws. Put the junction box back in place and tighten the 2 screws. Reconnect the 2 cable connectors. Tighten the ground wire screw and put the drive unit back in place. Reconnect the cable connector. Tighten the 4 drive unit screws. Tighten the tamper base counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the top plate back in place. Tighten the 2 top plate screws. Install the power cord and turn on the PUQ press. Press the Set button. The tamper base goes back up. Put back the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Test the drive unit on proper functioning with your portafilter. Excellent! Let's tamp.